नेक्स्ट वी आर डिस्कसिंग इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल इन कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म। तो हमें कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में सर्कल की इक्वेशन पता है। ओके, फॉर दैट व्हाट विल हैव, वी विल हैव वन सेंटर। सो सेंटर इज व्हाट, सपोज सी इज व्हाट x नॉट कॉमा y नॉट, and a variable point is what, p. So p will move on this plane x comma y. Okay, so p will move on this plane and distance between p and c will be what, always r. Okay, so p will move in such a way that distance from fixed point is always constant, that is called radius. So r is what, radius, c is what, center. Okay, and p is what, variable point. Now we want circle equation in complex form. Okay, so here we can say that distance pc is always r. Now if you want to convert in terms of complex form, then this one we can add what, x naught plus eta y naught. Okay, so this one we can add what, z naught. So z naught is what, center of the circle, and this one we can add what, x plus eta y. Okay, so this one we can add what, z. So pc we can add what, modulus of z minus z naught. This is equal to r. So this is circle equation in complex form. Next we are discussing general form of circle. General form of circle. Okay, so how to find out general form of circle, that we are discussing here. Okay, so if center is z naught and radius is r, then circle equation is what, modulus of z minus z naught equal to r. That is circle equation if center is given and radius is given. Now we will simplify this one. For finding general equation, we will simplify this one. So what we will do, square both sides. So what is the modulus of z minus z naught square equal to r square. This will come. Now here we will use properties of modulus. So this one we can add what, z minus z naught into z minus z naught whole bar equal to r square. So this one we can add z minus z naught. If you use here conjugate property, so this one we can add z bar minus z naught bar equal to r square. Now we are multiplying these two. So what will come, z bar minus z into z naught bar minus z into z naught bar minus z naught into z bar minus z naught into z bar minus z naught minus z naught bar. So this is going to plus z naught bar. Okay, and equal to r square. Okay, so this is what, z bar minus z naught bar z minus z naught z bar plus this one we can add modulus of z naught square, and r square if you take this side, so you get minus r square equal to 0. So you can see this is what, real number. Okay, because modulus of z naught is what, real, and r is also real, so this is what, real number. So here what you are doing, see b equal to what we are taking, modulus of z naught square minus r square. Okay, where b belongs to what, real. Now here this one we are taking what, a. So a equal to what, minus z naught. Then if I find out a bar, so a bar is what, minus z naught bar. So here minus z naught bar we can write what, a bar. So what will come, this equation will come what, z bar. Okay, minus z naught bar we can write it what, a bar. So this will come what, plus a bar z plus minus z naught we can write as what, a. So what will come, plus a z bar plus, and this one we can write what, b equal to 0, where b belongs to what, r. This is general form of circle. Okay, now if general form of circle is given, then we want to find out what is radius and what is center. Okay, so we know that center is what, z naught, and radius is what, r. Okay, now here what is the relation between a and minus z naught, a equal to what, minus z naught. Okay, so from here z naught is what, minus a. So center we can say that if this equation is given, then center we can say that minus a. Okay, so center equal to minus, what is a? In this equation a is what, a is coefficient of z bar. Okay, so minus coefficient of z bar. So center is what, minus coefficient of z bar. Okay, next we are finding radius. So we know this equation, b equal to what, modulus of z naught square minus r square. Okay, so b equal to what, modulus of z naught square minus r square. तो यहाँ से r square is what, modulus of z naught square minus b. This will come. Okay, so z naught is what, minus a. So if you take modulus here, so what will come, modulus of z naught equal to what, modulus of minus a. So this will come modulus of z naught equal to what, modulus of a. So instead of modulus of z naught, we can add modulus of a. So this will come out r square equal to what? Modulus of a square minus b. तो यहाँ से r क्या आ जाएगा? r is what? Root over modulus of a square minus b. Okay, this is your radius. Okay, so in language if I write, so radius equal to modulus of a is what? A is coefficient of z bar. Okay, so modulus of coefficient of z bar whole square minus what is b? B is what? Constant terms minus constant. So radius equal to what? Root or modulus of coefficient of z bar whole square minus constant. So that is your radius. So if this equation is given, we can find out center and we can find out radius. Center is what? Center is what? Minus of coefficient of z bar, and radius is what? Root or modulus of coefficient of z bar whole square minus constant. That is your radius. Next we are discussing diametric form of circle. Here end point of diameter is given. So this is circle and end point of diameter is what? A and B. So A is what? Z1 and B is what? Z2. This is given. Okay, so P point will move on this perimeter. So diameter always subtend 90 degree at perimeter. So this is what? 90 degree. This is point P. And if you take here also, this is also 90 degree. In both cases it will become 90 degree. Okay, so Z can be here also and it will lie on this perimeter. Here also possible. Now here we are using argument method. Okay, so what will come? This is what denominator, this is what numerator. Here also this is what denominator and this is numerator. Direction we are taking towards Z1. Okay, so if you take point this one, so this is direction here. So how to write? Argument of in bracket denominator and numerator. So denominator is what? This one. So what will come? Z1 minus Z. Z1 minus Z. And this one numerator. So numerator is what? Z2 minus Z. Okay, so denominator we are rotating in anti-clockwise direction with the angle pi by 2. So this will come what? Plus pi by 2. But if you take this one, okay, so here also direction towards Z1. So denominator is what? This one only. And here also direction towards Z2. So numerator is what? This one. Now in this one denominator we are rotating in which direction? In clockwise direction. Then here what will come? Argument is what? Pi minus pi by 2. Okay. So for circle this relation will what? Either pi by 2 or minus pi by 2. Okay. Then we can say that here this is what? Complex number. In this complex number argument is what? Pi by 2 or minus pi by 2. That means this should be what? Purely imaginary. That means real part should be 0. तो यहाँ से हम बोल सकते हैं Z2 minus Z divided by Z1 minus Z plus Z2 minus Z divided by Z1 minus Z whole bar equal to what? 0. Okay, because we know that Z plus Z bar equal to what? 2 times real part of Z, and this is what? 0. So we can say Z plus Z bar equal to 0. So what is Z? This one. So this one plus this one bar equal to 0. If we simplify this one, we'll get circle equation. Okay, so what is circle equation? If we take LCM, what will come? Z2 minus Z into Z1 minus Z bar plus Z1 minus Z into Z2 minus Z whole bar divided by Z1 minus Z into Z1 minus Z whole bar equal to 0. This one you can multiply here. Okay, and this one we can add what? Z minus Z2 into Z bar minus Z1 bar plus this one also we can add what? Z minus Z1 and Z bar minus Z2 bar equal to 0. This is your circle equation in diametric form. For finding circle equation, here we can do one more method. Okay, suppose complex slope of this one is what? Alpha 1 and complex slope of this one is what? Alpha 2. Okay, so what is alpha 1? Alpha 1 is what? Z1 bar minus Z bar divided by Z1 minus Z, and alpha 2 is what? Complex slope of this one. Okay, so alpha 2 is what? Z2 bar minus Z bar divided by Z2 minus Z. Okay, and if these two lines are what? 90 degree, then what is the relation between complex slope? We can say that alpha 1 plus alpha 2 should be what? 0. So alpha 1 is what? This one, and alpha 2 is what? This one. If you put here, we'll get circle equation.